tweet it, and I'll pick it up. Yeah. See, my computer just crashed.
Okay, so I'm picking up.
Ridiculous. Okay, so tweet it to me. I'll
Right
get
now.
it on my Mac. That's good.
Just a
That's
moment.
good. Hang
Oh. Yeah, so we're going to keep checking what's going on with you right now as well.
You know what?
Just a moment, we're
Let
gonna
me
make
call
a
you
call.
back. Let
Hey,
me call you
guys.
back.
I'm going to call you back soon.
Here. Yeah.
Yeah, what's going on?
Hey,
Hey,
what's
up?
up?
What's going on?
Well, actually, I was kind of hoping like maybe you guys would want to come out for a walk.
Why don't you boot it up and fax it to me?
Boot it up.
And just turn the switch on and let me know what's going on
Turn
with
it
it.
on.
Yeah.
Are you guys even listening to me?
Oh yeah, just turn it on and
Sure,
just
you
leave it
got,
right
you
here.
have my full attention.
Why don't you join the Hug a Tree challenge with me? Yeah.
Let's hug a tree.
What's a
Hug
tree?
Yeah.
hug a
Come on,
tree.
I'll show you. Come on, I'll show you.
Wait.
Guys.
Red een boom en knuffel er een ook.
अपने आप पर एक उपकार करो पेड़ को गले लगाओ और पेड़ को बचाओ शुक्रिया
Ciao, sono David, sono italiano e sono seduto nella foresta come una rana. Abbraccia un albero.
I'm Allison from Canada. I'm lying in the forest like a rotting log.
Hi, I'm Kath from Canada. I'm seeing like an owl in the forest.
Namaste. मेरा नाम आश्ताद है. I'm from India. And here I'm signifying a tree in the forest.
Unplug
Unplug
and hug.
and hug.